This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by documenting the crash, when it happens and what you clicked. Once done, create a system restore point and quickly save any open files so recovery is possible. Next, open Task Manager and End, then restart the Explorer executable to restore the UI. This often clears transient hangs. If Explorer restarts cleanly, observe behavior for several minutes. Make sure to note error messages and record any patterns. Those details will guide the deeper fixes we apply next. With Explorer restarted, dig into Event Viewer to see faulting modules and error timestamps so you know the cause. Once you have a lead, run system checks. sfc/scano followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files that crash Explorer. After that, disable third-party shell extensions using a shell extension manager and uninstall any recently added apps. These are common culprits. If crashes continue, create a fresh user profile to isolate per-user configuration problems before moving to deeper steps. To finalize, update Windows and critical device drivers, then reboot. Many Explorer issues vanish after updates. If crashes persist, reset Explorer settings or run an in-place upgrade repair to replace system components while preserving files. Make sure to test after each action. If the problem remains, boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to isolate services and startup items. This narrows the fault to specific software. One key tip: keep the Event Viewer open during tests so you can catch new error signatures immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.